Hey guys, when you need immune support, I want you to think Thieves Vitality. Thieves Vitality, if it isn't already a staple in your wellness routine, it needs to be. So what does it do and how do you use it? Thieves is a blend of lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus, and clove. And these oils work synergistically together to provide many different wellness benefits. And this blend was actually inspired by a band of robbers from the 15th century. So it goes all the way back to the 15th century. This band of robbers would coat themselves in this blend of botanicals and in this blend of herbs because they believed that it provided protection to them while they were stealing. And when they were finally caught by the authorities realized that there was actually a lot of power to this herb blend they were using, and so they decided to give them a lesser sentence if they divulged their secret. So that's the legend of Thieves, and that's where we got our wonderful Thieves Essential Oil blend from. So Thieves Vitality, what does it do? How do you use it? Thieves Vitality is amazing at supporting your immune system. A healthy immune system provides that immune system support. It's cleansing to the digestive system. It has antioxidant properties, and it really just supports your overall wellness. So it's great to, if you're trying to, support a healthy immune system, put a couple drops of Thieves Vitality into a spoonful of honey. Take it that way. My personal favorite is I add it into a veggie capsule. That's just the easiest way for me to take oils internally. So I'll add a couple drops into an empty veggie capsule, and sometimes I even add a drop of oregano vitality, and I take it a couple times throughout the day as needed. You can also try adding Thieves Vitality to your favorite tea, like your warm tea recipe as needed. It's a really good way just to help support that immune system. And then the difference between Thieves Vitality and the Thieves Essential Oil blend is the labeling. So Thieves Vitality, the one with the white label, is labeled specifically for internal use. So that's the oil that you should mention when you're talking about taking Thieves internally. When you're talking about using Thieves aromatically or topically, talk about the topical aromatic version of Thieves Essential Oil. And so the Thieves Essential Oil blend, not the Vitality blend, is cleansing when it's applied topically. So it's great to apply to the bottoms of your feet. It can also help neutralize and purify the air from strong odors when diffused. It is my go-to, especially in the wintertime or as seasons change. I diffuse Thieves by my bed all night long, and I diffuse it in my little son's room. It's just a good way to help freshen the air, cleanse it of odors, and to help neutralize any unwanted odors. It's really good at helping neutralize those unwanted odors. It's also a really good oil to use when you're cleaning. So add it to your DIY cleaner. So add it to whatever mixture you're using, add a couple extra drops to Thieves. Mix it with your baking soda. Maybe if you're using borax, mix a little bit of Thieves essential oil with those DIY recipes. And Young Living has realized the power of Thieves in our cleaning and our personal care products. So we have an entire cleaning line, an entire personal care line that is infused with our Thieves Essential Oil blend because that's how powerful it is. So comment below all the ways that you guys love to use Thieves. Thieves is one of the oils that I go through the fastest because I love the smell of it. I think it has a wonderful benefits. Thieves Vitality is great to take internally. Diffusing Thieves and wearing it topically is the way that I use the topical aromatic Thieves. And it's just a great oil to have in your family's wellness toolbox. So comment below your favorite ways to use Thieves Essential Oil blend.